Hello everyone. I'm staying at the Hotel Regente in Benidorm, and let's see, is this worth it? It's a fairly small room, not the smallest, but it is a budget one, but it's fairly low budget. I'll I'll leave the price in the comment section, but here we get twin beds, quite soft. That's quite a soft mattress. Get tea and coffee, just very basic stuff. Got a desk, seating area, your chair, basic side tables, and you've got USB powers. Phone here. We've got a wardrobe, decent sized wardrobe. We've got a safe, some storage, spare pillow. Then we've got some more storage. You need to forgive I've got all my stuff in that. So that's that. It's a decent bathroom, it's very nice, very clean looking. I have to say this is a very clean hotel. It's got a big shower head, detachable shower. Got Dove shampoo and body wash. Got a toilet. And for the first Benidorm hotel I've seen, we've got a bidet. Got some towels there. A hairdryer. It's one you've got to hold in. Some hand wash, a wee shaving mirror, and a wee stool. It's a nice bathroom. Then I'll just check the balcony. It's an okay sized balcony. There's a pool. Got a wee seating area, table. I think this has seen better days. Could do with an upgrade, I think. So that was the Hotel Regente. What do you think? Would you stay here? I'll leave the price in the comment section. Let me know, is it worth it? Would you stay here? For the price, it's not bad. The area's not bad. So, I don't know. Let me know what you think. Have you stayed here? Do you think it's good? I think it's quite clean. The table and chairs out there, that could be better. They could redo that a wee bit. I think they need kind of freshened up, like a fresh set. Anyway, I do a new hotel video every week, so let me know in the comments. Is there any hotels you would like me to check? And I'll do my best to do what I can. I don't just do Benidorm, I do everywhere. I'll travel just about everywhere. I travel abroad quite a lot, so let me know. Anything you want. Thank you very much and take care. Bye bye.